Welcome, dear viewers, to our channel. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the world of the human body. Our body is an incredible machine, where each part plays a specific role. We often take for granted the wonders that happen inside us every second. Today, we present to you 10 fascinating facts about the human body that may surprise you and make you appreciate and cherish our intricate and unique organism. Let's delve into the captivating realm of our very own selves. Fact 1. The human brain. Our journey begins with the human brain, which is the pinnacle of intelligence and the control center of our entire body. Remarkably, the brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, each capable of forming connections with thousands of other neurons. This creates complex neural networks that enable us to think, feel, learn, and create. Our brain is like a world within a world, and it makes us unique and capable of achieving remarkable feats. Fact 2. The human heart. Our hearts are true heroes of our lives. They beat relentlessly, nourishing our bodies with blood and oxygen. Over the course of a lifetime, the heart performs about 2.5 billion contractions. We can imagine its work as if it were pumping blood through a pipeline extending approximately 60,000 miles. It is thanks to our hearts that we live, breathe, and experience the joys of life. Fact 3. Human DNA. When it comes to our uniqueness, DNA plays a crucial role. Deoxyribonucleic acid, or simply DNA, resides in each of our cells and contains all our genetic information. This incredibly long molecular code determines our physical traits, predisposition to certain diseases, and even aspects of our personality. If we were to unravel all the DNA strands in our body, they could reach the moon and back more than 6,000 times. Our DNA is our unique genetic fingerprint, making each of us one of a kind. Fact 4. Human bones. Next stop is our skeleton. It consists of 206 bones, serving as the framework that provides strength and stability to our bodies. Surprisingly, newborns have about 300 soft and flexible bones, which fuse over time to form the mature skeleton. Some bones, like those in the skull, protect our brain and internal organs, while others enable movement and agility. Bones also serve as reservoirs for calcium and other essential minerals vital for our health. Fact 5. The human skin. Our skin is our shield, protecting us from the outside world. It consists of several layers and regulates our body temperature, sensitivity, and shields us from harmful ultraviolet rays. Interestingly, the surface area of an adult's skin is about 1622 square feet, approximately equal to the area of a standard door. Moreover, our skin is continually renewing itself, with the outermost layer of the epidermis renewing with new cells every 28 days, allowing us to maintain the youthfulness and freshness of our skin. Fact 6. The human eyes. Our eyes are the windows to the world. They allow us to perceive colors, shapes, and light. Inside the eyeball, various structures work together to provide us with vision. The cornea, located on the surface, is a transparent layer that receives and focuses light. Then the light passes through the lens, which changes its shape for precise focusing. Light signals are transmitted to the retina, where photoreceptors, cones, and rods convert light into nerve impulses and send them to the brain via the optic nerve. We can distinguish millions of color shades, and our eye muscles work so actively that if they were motors, they would move our eyeballs more than 100,000 times a day. Fact 7. The human lungs. Imagine our lungs as incredibly complex and perfect filters. They provide our bodies with vital oxygen for survival while removing waste and carbon dioxide. Lungs consist of numerous tiny sacs called alveoli, which increase the surface area for gas exchange. With each breath, we inhale oxygen, which passes into the bloodstream, and exhale carbon dioxide, getting rid of waste. Astonishingly, the total surface area of all the alveoli in our lungs is approximately equal to that of a tennis court. Fact 8. Human taste receptors. Now we come to the matter of taste. Our tongue contains about 10,000 taste receptors that allow us to distinguish various tastes: sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and umami, a special taste associated with amino acids. Interestingly, taste receptors renew themselves every 10-14 days, so if you've had a cold or flu, food might taste less appealing. Each of us has our own preferences, and these differences are due to variations in our taste sensitivity. Fact 9. The human digestive system. Now, Let's move on to our digestive system, a complex mechanism responsible for processing food and absorbing nutrients. It all begins in the oral cavity, where food is chewed and mixed with saliva, starting the process of preliminary digestion. Then the food travels down the esophagus, which pumps it into the stomach. The stomach is an acidic environment, where chemical breakdown of food occurs. Next, the partially digested food moves into the small intestine, where the primary absorption of nutrients takes place. These nutrients are then transferred through the intestinal walls into the bloodstream and distributed throughout the body. Fact 10. The circulatory system. Finally, our last stop, the circulatory system, which transports blood throughout our body. Blood is the life-giving fluid that carries oxygen and nutrients to all organs and tissues, as well as removes waste and carbon dioxide. Our blood travels through vessels, arteries, and veins, forming an incredible circulatory network. If we were to lay all our blood vessels end to end, their length would be approximately 60,000 miles. It is thanks to this complex network of blood vessels that we can sustain our lives and remain active. And so, dear viewers, our thrilling journey into the world of the human body comes to an end. We have learned numerous astonishing facts about how our bodies are constructed and the wonders that occur within us every second. We hope this journey has inspired you to ponder the incredible complexity of our organism and encouraged you to love and cherish it even more. Remember that each of us is unique and has our own story written in the genes of our DNA. Let us take care of our health, strive for harmony, and be in awe of this magnificent creation, the human body. Thank you for joining us, and until we meet again on our channel,